Harmon, and welcome to the first annual Redbank Valley Chamber of Commerce Freedom and Fireworks Festival. The event has already kicked off. I'm a little bit late. We have live music going on, we have eating going on, we have wineries here today. Overall, it looks like a lot of fun, and there are fireworks coming tonight. So let's go. Here at Gumtown Park, so as we anticipate some fireworks, I thought we'd interview Redbank Valley Chamber of Commerce President Austin Blose. How do you think this event has gone so far, Austin?
Well, so far so good. I think today was a great turnout, actually. Couldn't have done it without our sponsors. We had a lot of big local businesses sponsor some nice dollars to be able to put on a great show for our community. We got an awesome display of fireworks, a lot of mortars, some 8-inch cannons. It's going to be a nice show. We got the Leatherwood Band playing. We had some food. We had some fun. The carnival games was a huge hit. The kids loved the bouncy house. Honestly, it's been a great day. Best 4th of July in New Bethlehem in a while.
It has been a great day so far. And with that, I guess it's time for some fireworks.
Ooh, there's gonna be fireworks. Fireworks! On the 4th of July. Red, white, and blue fireworks like diamonds in the sky.
Diamonds in the sky.
We're gonna shoot the entire works on fireworks that really show. Oh yeah, we declared our liberty 200 years ago.
Yeah.
In 1776,
Fireworks.
there were fireworks too.
Red, white, and blue.
The original colonists, you know their tempers blew. Like Thomas Paine once wrote, it's only common sense that if a government won't give you your basic